pale fingers moving over the crow's feet. An unintentional attempt to sublimate the furrows. झुर्रियां आ जाती हैं, wrinkles that you get on the skin. That's अपने आप को वो किसी तरह से उन्हें डाउन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हाथ. Pale fingers moved over the crow's feet, an unintentional attempt to sublimate the furrows. Uninterrupted gaze lingered in the vacant vistas. And before too long, evening it was. Autumn leaves had begun to fall, gracefully floating with the gentle breeze. A void was left in the cavity of her chest, where once a lively heart lived. Rummaging through the long-lost dreams, reliving the memories she cherished to eternity, were some of the futile efforts she made to withstand the overbearing emptiness of her hearth. Seclusion consumed every part of her being, unable to stay above the proverbial waterline. Delicate threads holding her soul began to snip one by one. Slanting rays of the sun slowly turned cold. Darkness engulfed the light. The candle that once brightened many lives had burnt last of the wick it had. Thank you. Please don't leave their hands. They are the ones who held us in their own hands when we came to this world. Mother, father, they're irreplaceable. Just hold on to them. Our fast-paced lives actually take us to further lands. But what's the use? What's the use if we are going to lose them in the bargain? It's not that we cannot live with them and then make our lives. We can. After all, that's what they did for us when we held their hands and learned how to walk. And now is the time when it's your duty to be with them and hold them while they try to walk. Thank you.